Welcome to Wes Explains Best. Today we're going to be doing a Khan Academy tutorial on volume. This is a very introduction oriented exercise on volume with unit cubes. So let's go ahead and get started. It's asking us to find the volume of the following figure, and it gives us two different views. And the cool thing I like about this exercise is it tells you that one of those little blocks is a cubic unit. Now that's where the volume unit comes from, because two-dimensional space, when we do area, that's how you find the amount of space in two dimensions. So let me go write that. 2 dimensions, we use area, and then the units are units squared because we're going in 2 dimensions. So in the same way, when we do 3D, we're talking about volume, how much space it takes up in 3 dimensions, and then the units are units cubed. So what cubic unit are essentially the smallest building blocks that compose a larger three-dimensional space. So for this one, all we need to do is count the number of blocks. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there's one on top to make it 10. So that's 10 cubic units. Okay, we have a letter E. What is the volume of the following figure? And we just need to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubic units again, but now it's in a different shape. Okay, we have another one here. We just need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, that's 10. Same volume, different shape. Okay, now we have a following figure. This one's trying to trick you a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one underneath, and then this is 5, 6, and this is 7. So there's 7 cubic units. All right, really basic introduction. Actually, easier than I thought it was going to be. Hope you found this easy. And honestly, if you watch this video, you maybe not in high school math yet, and that's okay. You got a lot to look forward to. If you are in high school math and you're watching this, hope I didn't waste your time. But anyways, regardless of that, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time on Wes Explains Best. See ya.